Hello, my name is Carson, and today I'm going to show you how to put down a shape and resize it. So, first, you go to the Insert tab, which is right here. You click on that. You go to the Illustrations bar, which is right here. You go to Shapes. Now, say we want to do an arrow. You click on the arrow, and then you hold down on the blank document, and then you stretch it. Now, to resize it, you go to the Size bar, which is right here. You go to this one's the height, so you go back. Let's say we want to go a 6, and then for the width we want to go like, I don't know, 8. No, that would be the size of it. Now if you wanted to make it smaller, you would just do that over again and make the number smaller. That right there is how you do the shape and resize it. Thanks for watching.